Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Weather and natural forces. The surface of our planet is constantly changing. Mountains rise, rivers carve valleys, deserts shift, and coastlines reshape themselves. These changes happen over years, decades, or even millions of years. They are caused by natural forces such as water, wind, ice, heat, and even objects from space. In this video, we will explore how some of Earth's most striking landscapes and natural features are formed, and how weather and natural forces continue to shape the world around us. The Grand Canyon in the United States of America. The Grand Canyon is one of the most iconic examples of erosion in the world. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has carved through layers of rock, creating deep cliffs and vast gorges. Water combined with wind, temperature changes, and rainfall gradually wears down rock surfaces. The process of erosion exposes ancient rock layers, telling a story of Earth's history that spans nearly 2 billion years. The Grand Canyon demonstrates how persistent natural forces can transform the landscape, leaving behind breathtaking formations for generations to study and admire. Meteor craters and impact craters. Not all changes on Earth's surface come from water or wind. Some are caused by objects from space. When a meteorite strikes Earth, it releases an enormous amount of energy, creating a circular depression called an impact crater. Meteor crater in Arizona is one of the best preserved examples. The force of the collision reshaped the ground instantly, scattering rocks and debris. Over time, natural weathering can smooth a crater's edges, but the impact remains visible for millions of years. Impact craters are evidence of Earth's connection to the wider solar system and show how sudden events can leave lasting marks on the landscape. Deserts and sand dunes. In deserts around the world, wind is the primary force shaping the landscape. Strong winds carry sand and dust, sculpting dunes that can stretch for miles. These dunes can change constantly. As the wind shifts direction and strength, sand moves, creating new shapes, ridges, and ripples. Over time, desert landscapes can migrate entirely across the land. The Sahara Desert provides a dramatic example of how wind and dry conditions create ever-changing environments that continue to challenge life in these regions. Fjords. Fjords are deep, narrow inlets formed by glaciers. As glaciers slowly move through valleys, they carve the surrounding rock into a U-shaped formation. When the glaciers melt and sea levels rise, these valleys fill with water, creating long, dramatic fjords. Norway and Chile offer some of the most spectacular examples with steep cliffs and deep blue waters. Fjords show how ice and water work together to sculpt landscapes over thousands of years. Volcanoes and lava flows. Volcanoes are another powerful force shaping the Earth. Magma rising from inside the planet erupts as lava, ash, and gas. Over time, repeated eruptions create mountains, islands, and fertile plains. Lava flows reshape the land instantly, while the heat and the ash can alter ecosystems. Volcanic activity also creates unique rock formations, caves, and geothermal features, demonstrating that some landscapes are born through heat and pressure rather than slow erosion. Glaciers and Great Lakes. Glaciers are massive rivers of ice that move slowly across land. During the Ice Age, glaciers carved deep valleys and basins. When they melted, these depressions filled with water, forming lakes such as the Great Lakes of North America. Glacial erosion also shaped hills, plains, and soil deposits. Even today, glaciers leave behind polished rock surfaces and deposits called moraines, reminding us of the enormous power of ice over time. Caves and karst landscapes. Caves form primarily through chemical weathering. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, forming a weak acid. The acidic water slowly dissolves limestone over thousands of years, creating caves, underwater rivers, and sinkholes. Karst landscapes, characterized by caves and sinkholes, can be found worldwide. They show how even small forces working over long periods can dramatically alter the earth beneath our feet. Coastal cliffs and sea arches. Ocean waves continuously shape coastlines. Waves erode softer rock, forming cliffs, caves, and arches. Storms accelerate erosion, reshaping beaches and coastlines in decades rather than millennia. Coastal features like sea arches or isolated rock stacks demonstrate that ongoing interaction between land and water. These formations highlight the balance between constructive and destructive forces in nature. Rivers and delta formation. Rivers carry sediment from mountains and plateaus in the sea. When rivers flow near their mouths, they deposit sediment, forming deltas, wetlands, and barrier islands. The Mississippi River Delta is one of the world's largest examples. Seasonal floods and river currents continue to shape the landscape, creating habitats for fish, birds, and other wildlife. Rivers illustrate the constant movement and redistribution of materials on Earth, shaping the land and supporting ecosystems. Iceland's geothermic landscapes. In volcanic regions like Iceland, geothermic activity shapes the landscape in unique ways. Underground heat warms groundwater, creating geysers and hot springs. The minerals deposited by these waters form terraces, colorful pools, and unusual rock formations. Geothermal landscapes remind us that the heat from the Earth's interior continues to sculpt the surface even without water, wind, or ice. The constant change of Earth. From rivers carving canyons to glaciers sculpting valleys, from meteor impacts to volcanic eruptions, the Earth is constantly changing. Some forces act slowly, over millions of years. Others happen quickly, leaving dramatic marks on the surface. Together, these processes create the landscapes we see today, support ecosystems, and remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet. Studying these phenomena helps us understand Earth's history, prepare for natural events, and appreciate the complexity and beauty of the world we live in. Every mountain, canyon, desert, and coast tells a story of natural forces at work. Observing these changes teaches us about time, energy, and the resilience of our planet.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.